Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Uber credit card online account. Now to do that, first thing is open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. Now once you open the new tab, on the search bar you need to type in Uber credit card login and press enter. This will open the search result for the keyword that you have just typed in. From there, you need to click on this very top link, Barclays Card US. You click upon this. Now here is the place where you need to log in into the credit card of yours, that is the Uber credit card. You need to log in on this page since the Uber credit card is issued by the Barclays Bank. So you need to input your credit details over here. Credit card details. Type in the username. And below you type in the password. Once both the detail is done, you click on login. This will get you logged in into the Uber credit card of yours. It's a very simple process for you to log in. Now just in case if you forgot the account credential, that is, you need to click on this link over here, forgot username or password. This will give you the further instruction for the recovery process, that is either your username or password. You just need to follow through the process that is provided by the Barclays Bank. Likewise, you can check your application status as well. Once you have applied, you can check your application status by clicking on this link over here. And if you do not have an online account, you can click on set up online account over here. Hope this video was useful on how to log in Uber credit card. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.